What's up, guys? Dr. Thinman here. Got another little thing I'm doing to the bike. As you can see, got me some new mirrors, maybe some new little parts to hold them. Haven't got that one made yet, but anyways, I got my mirrors moved. I had one issue I needed to fix. I got blinkers in them, so had to order me some blinkers. And then I had a guy tell me, he says, instead of getting the resistor, just get the relay. It's a whole lot more easier to do that instead of putting a resistor in there. So I was like, okay, I'll give it a try. It cost me about twice as much to get this relay than it did a resistor, or resistors. But it's supposed to be a whole lot more easier, so hopefully this will work out. Let's get some stuff moved. And it goes right back in there. I know it's kind of hard to see. Yeah, I really can't see it on here, but it's just right there. So I gotta take this whole part off. Gotta take the seat off. It's gonna be a little pain in the butt, but I can get it. But pretty much just like before, how it looks, and hopefully we can get this done pretty quickly. So give me a second and I'll be right back. Doing this little weight reduction here, because I'm pretty sure that these mirrors, even these right here, together way less than both of these. Wow, I didn't realize how heavy they actually were. I got me the end connectors, so that's what I'm about to do here. So it'll wire up or just plug in with no issues. So I'm about to cut these ends off and get a little solder, get my solder on, and putting shrink tubing on it. I think that's what the stuff's called. I don't know what brand this is, the soldering iron, but my dad got it for me, and this thing is just, it's a freaking beast. Oh, there we go. My finger down here. Look at that, I'm about to burn myself. Oh, good lordy. That's what kind it is. I encourage y'all, if y'all do any soldering, get one of these things. And you can adjust it for whatever you're going to do. I just got to turn it up a little bit. I love the thing. It works perfect every single time. So yeah, I'm gonna get, like I said, I'm gonna get these things all soldered up, and I've done stuck it on there, and I do have a super fast blink on it right now. But hopefully my little magic box here, there we go, a little better. A little magic box, hopefully it'll work for me and do what it's supposed to do. If not, I'm just gonna have mine flashing really fast, and that was $14 I would have wasted. Anyways, let me get this thing done and I'll be right back. Well, I got them all soldered together, taped up. I even taped the, yeah, make that out. I taped the wires up some so it wouldn't be so, like, I don't know what word I'm looking for, but so it wouldn't like spread apart too much. Well, let's see if I did it right or not. And the back one's flashing on this side, so that's right. Flashing back there too, flashing up here, and that's right. But there's one thing I'm kind of curious about, why it does this If anybody knows why it does this, hang on, ain't doing it now. Okay, never mind then. Before it was only flashing on this side when I put the hazards on. I don't know, maybe I don't know, whatever. Okay, since that part's done, all I gotta do is put the fairing back on, or the windscreen in front of it, and then I gotta go back there, right there to the back, and take all that out, so I can get this little booger up in there, and hopefully that'll work like it should. So let me get that done. I'll be right back. I got it taken off, and I got the new one put in, as you can see right here. It's the old one, except it's got a whole lot of writing on it. This one is just blank. Whatever, it works. Let's see if it works actually. Got that. Let's see if we got right blinker. We got right blinker up there that's flashing correctly. Like there's correctly. We got left blinker flashing correctly. Flashing correctly. So looks like that's working. So I guess let's get this thing, or I guess let me get this thing put all back together, since she's all tore apart at the moment. A lot of crap, ain't it? Anyways, let me get this thing back together, and I'll be right back. Well, I got her back together. I gotta say, personally, it's a big, more of a change than I thought it was gonna look, but I do like it. The spikes are a whole lot more pronounced now. Personally, I think that's pretty cool. I don't know, go down in the comments, and I'd love to hear what y'all think about it. If y'all like it, then just go down there and say, yeah, I think it's pretty cool. If you don't like it, I'm curious to know why you don't like it. I take any kind of positivity I can get from it, that's great, but also I'd be glad to take some of that constructive criticism. But I do think it's going to take me a little bit to get used to it. I got my safety stand in the way. There we go. Alright, I can sit her up. But yeah, if you liked the video, get one of them thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, well, you do what you gotta do. Share this video. Hopefully it'll inspire somebody else. And YouTube has this little, it's a bell right around this little area, I believe, either here or here, around this area. Hit that, and it'll let you know whenever I upload anything new. It'll notify you. If you hadn't already subscribed to my channel, I'd encourage you to subscribe to it. I got a whole lot more ideas I'm going to be doing, because I got the bike, as you can see, I got the truck outside, and I got the four-wheeler outside. That's two other things that I'm always working on. So if you're interested in anything like that, subscribe and you will find some good content. But anyways, like always, guys and gals, y'all take it easy and may God bless.